Welcome back on the channel, guys. VST here with SP's Tech. Yes, this is the Pixel 6. This ain't clickbait, guys. Got away, I found it, I bought it, and I'm gonna do short unbox and first impressions video. Alright, so as you can just see, guys, this is the box. And a funny story, I just bought this from a person that flew over from London to here, and I just asked him, hey, it's not gonna be a problem, like you bought this from the UK and we know the outlets, and then he told me, hey, it doesn't really have a charger inside, which I think is quite obvious, right? So no charger, of course, inside. A very slim box, by the way. Okay, it's absolutely brand new. The person just ran it to see if it for the phone works, so practically never been used. A Pixel 6 here. We have the Google logo here, guys. Here we have Pixel 6. This is the regular Pixel 6, no the Pro version. I'll explain why probably in some other videos. Here we have the Team Pixel, Pixel 6 5G Sub 6 Stormy Black Nero Tempesta Carbon 128. Okay, so again, very nice box. That's kind of the phone, guys, so I'm not gonna keep you waiting forever, guys. Okay, yep. Alright, just unbox that one. Okay, so we have a phone apparently inside. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. So, phone right here, heavy in the hand. I put this here just for a while. Okay, so what do we have inside? Right, like a USB ODG if you want to transfer some things. Okay, that's not bad. We have a cable as well, USB-C. There is also kind of this, what is this? It's like a Google book. Okay, so I just open this one here. Alright, set up your new phone. Okay, we have the SIM tray, we have the power button. Okay, so that's quite obvious, the fingerprint unlock, this USB-C port. We're here to help in several languages. Then probably they have the warranty. And I think it's simple as that, guys. I'm gonna move those things because we're not gonna need them. And yeah, I'm just gonna get like to the serious part. So this is the phone. And I can tell you guys, this feels already in my hand like a premium phone. And honestly, I didn't really watch too many videos. I don't know many things about the Pixel 6, but I do know two very important things. It uses since a long time right now a very new sensor for all the Pixel phones, which is, I think, is a Samsung sensor, I think the Gen 1 or something like that. And it also uses a Tensor chipset, which is something Google invented together with Samsung, right? And you know, this year I had the S21, the S21 Plus, the S21 Ultra, so you know what the joke is around these days on my channel, why not buy just another Samsung phone, right? Here it is. Joke apart, it has a custom chipset Tensor built with Samsung, but Google just went another way of configuring all the cores and etc. But I'm gonna go into more details in some of the next videos. And then this other thing here, this probably already noticed, is like this gigantic bulge or hump. I'm not even sure how to call it. Like it's really something on its own, guys. It's really something huge, right? But you know what? I kind of dig that look. Now it reminds me of Futurama. It reminds me also of Data. So I can tell you guys, this look here ain't necessarily bad. Also another thing, like you put the phone, yeah, see, not moving around, so it's kind of stable. But you know what? I'm just going to take this piece off, okay, for the first time here. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, woo, glossy. And the first thing we can see, by the way, is the phone screen, and we see the bezels. Not sure if I can capture this on the camera, but the bezels are not so thin, alright? Aside, if I turn it like this, it pretty much looks like any standard phone, probably even a bit iPhone-ish. I think here the antenna. Okay, here we have, probably it's a microphone. Okay, SIM tray is here. Then we have the USB-C. We have stereo speakers. It's gonna be interesting to see where the Apple one is. Oh, it's just here, guys. It's a very tiny, and oh, these buttons here for the power and the volume, yeah, they just feel like from another material. Like, see here, this is kind of like matte finish, and these here are glossy. Very tactile, by the way. Okay, I like the color. I think it's Stormy Black. Was it what was it? Stormy Black or something? But this definitely is more like gray. And we have the Google logo here. It does look very, very stylish. Like it really has this very stylish and very clean look. Yeah, guys. Without any further review, let me put it there and let me just try to start the phone for the first time. And yeah, here you can see the huge bezels it has. But I can tell you guys, the screen immediately strikes me as a very vibrant screen and also kind of very bright. Seems to be very bright. Welcome to your Pixel. Okay, get started. Connect to mobile network. I'm just going to switch my SIM card from the S21 Ultra that I'm using right now to record this video and use this for the Pixel over the course of the next days, because I just want to deep dive inside, try to understand what is special about this device, what not. And of course, if you want to see benchmarks, Exynos 2100 versus Tensor, camera battles, Samsung S21 Ultra versus the Pixel 6, okay, then yeah, you know this is going to be the right channel. Now, the 6 Pro has a WQHD, it has also a bigger battery, and it also has a periscope camera. Which was kind of the option for me to not really go with it because it was a bit more expensive, because I already have this into the Ultra. But the main camera here is the same you're getting also from the 6 Pro. Let me just try to connect it to my Wi-Fi. Connecting, authenticating, all quite nice and very quick. Getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes. And by the way, you can just see, guys, it really has this Android 12 setup screen, which honestly I just see for the first time. And it's a bit weird. This one looks like one of their widgets they have. Yeah, I'm not sure. This kind of like looks weird to me. But let's just see. Getting your phone ready. As the Pixel is being set up, guys, I want to show you something. Like here on this Pixel, we don't have the periscope camera, but we have the main camera, and then we have the ultra wide camera. Here we have the flash, and I think there is something else, not sure right now what it is. Probably the sensor, because it comes with PDAF and also with a laser autofocus. But just take a look here. This is really huge, and honestly I kind of like it. It doesn't look bad, guys, I can tell you. This really looked kind of weird. Yeah, not sure. I think I like it. Okay, copy apps and data. Okay, I'll press next. Use your old phone. Alright, Pixel, you challenged myself. Let me just see if I have some battery here on my previous Warrior, but no, because my kids, yeah, see, drain everything. Alright, good. Can use my old phone. I'm gonna press next. Okay, we can continue the process. Getting account information. Have the nice Google logo here. By the way, guys, when I was typing my password, the vibration also seems to be a nice one. Alright, see here. Let me restore the backup. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna restore the backup from my S21 Ultra. Set up my pin. Okay, now I'm gonna set up the fingerprint. Okay, so I agree. Alright, start, guys. Let's see. I know people are complaining. Whoa, it's fast, guys. It's definitely fast. It ain't bad, guys. Alright, but I'm not using any protectors, right? So I'm not using any protectors. Fingerprint audit. Okay, let's see what happens. Pressing next here. Continue setup. Alright, let's continue setup. Talk to Google hands-free, skip. Access your assistant without unlocking your phone. Okay, skip, don't need it for now. Anything else? Oh, okay. I think it's a nice screen. I don't think I came across this screen in some of the other setups. You can identify music around you, change the font size, keep display always on, control info on the lock screen. Seems to be quite nice, but no thank you. Right, I just want to go inside and see really how it's gonna look like, guys. And as this is really like an unboxing and first impressions video, I think it's going to be enough for the video. So just let's calmly wait until this beautiful device boots. Get more tips and tricks. Okay, next. You know what I like? The theme here is really very dark. It's almost like pitch black, and that's nice, because you know the dark theme should be black, and that's it. We're very close. Swipe to navigate your phone. I think I know that one. Okay, skip. And all set. And by the way, this display is really very vibrant. So all set, you're ready to start using your phone. System navigation settings. Okay, let me just go there. Wow, the display is really is very beautiful, guys. Gesture navigation. And by the way, this here is only, I think, FHD. Alright, gesture navigation, that's cool, quite nice. Alright, null tree button, thank you. Oh, and I got my wallpaper restored from my Samsung, but this should not really surprise me. I mean, it's Google. And here, my new Pixel, guys. I'm really very much surprised. The screen looks really insane, by the way. Display looks really very nice. Storage, you can just see. Okay, we have 128 here. Okay, display. 90 Hertz, by the way, yeah, definitely making the change. So this is 90 Hertz, and I think it is only FHD, smooth display. Okay, I like the phone. I like the phone. It does really look very, very cool. We have the new material design. Okay, let me just see how responsive it is. Wallpaper and style. Oh my god, it is very, very, very smooth. I can tell you this one. Oh my god. Alright guys, I will now complete the setup. Don't forget to come back in the next days. Again, there's gonna be some heavy fights between the Tensor chip and the Exynos 2100. Heavy fights between this Pixel's camera and the S21 Ultra, and more and more. And by the way, if you want me to do something, test something like animation, widgets, you know where to find me. Just leave me a comment down below. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. Please do so. And I hope you guys are gonna stay safe together with your families and friends. Thank you for watching. Keep doing this. And yeah, we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye. Very nice, very beautiful device.